Hello all, namaste and welcome. This is Leena Shah from Rolling Fingers, and today I'm here with this amazing product from Craftreat, which are known as scrapbook templates. So what are these scrapbook templates? These are like pre-cut bases of various choices of scrapbooks that you can have, okay, and they are pre-cut and they are pre-scored, and they are so easy to make that it makes your scrapbooking a cakewalk. So actually it comes in, most of the scrapbooks come in two color bases, okay. The kit contains like this black color and the craft color, and they are very good GSM thicker cardstock for your bases, okay. And the plus is they come in this pictorial representation of how to go about assembling your scrapbook, okay. So it's like very easy to follow instructions, and these are picture based, so it makes it more easier for you to understand as to how to go about. Also it has like a measurement thing at the back, okay. So and they give you inspiration so that you know how to go about selecting your papers or how you want to do it. Plus the measurements help you in matting, like if you want to mat according to the sizes, they have the size in inches, which helps you in matting your pattern cardstock. So yeah, it's like a win-win thing, and I feel they are amazing because you can just be ready with your bases in a jiffy, and then you can customize it with your choice of papers and embellishments, and they are just amazing, I feel. So let's get going. Let's start with the base. Okay, I have made my scrapbook in craft cardstock, although I would teach you how to go about making the base with this one, okay, and then we switch on to my scrapbook. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this one, the Flipflap Gatefold scrapbook template, it comes in two colors, okay, and see, it has all the bases, plus it has these attachments, extra attachments that you can put it. I have made a little bit of variations, so I'll take you through as and how we proceed. So first things first, what do you do is, they have this pre-scored lines which you just burnish it. Okay, so these are three bases that you will get, okay. What you have to do is glue them here and glue them here. So what you get is a base like so, okay, which either you can close it like this, okay, or in the center, and then this closes like so, and this closes like so. So your scrapbook is ready. Then this one is the cover with ½ inch gap in the center, okay. All you have to do is put this inside and then put your belly band across, and your base is ready. But I have made a few variations that I would like to take you through. Okay, so this is my base. I've already matted it with paper. These papers are again amazing papers from Crafter's Corner. I guess most of you would know. These are like iconic beauty papers from Dress My Craft, and I just loved the papers, the quality of the papers and all the prints. So this is like the base. I've put the tape. I usually prefer using tacky tape for my bases so that they are more sturdier, is what I feel. If you're comfortable with the glue, you can go ahead with the glue. So this is my base which I've already matted, okay, and this is my template that I've joined. Now for this you get such a cut, okay. What I have done is, you get 2 of these cuts which you are supposed to put on the top, which I have not done. I have put one on the side, and I preferred, you know, covering it with the band like so, okay. But your choice what you want to do. So this is the change that I have made. So these are flexible. That's what I like most about these templates. You can play around. Once your base is ready, you can play around as much with the inner things as you like. Like suppose this is your base, right? I've not matted the paper for you to show, because what I have done is this 1/2 inch thing, I have glued it here, and then I have done this, and then I have made this band separately to close it. And I'm going to be using magnets to be closing it. So this is the thing, and I have used fussy cuts from the paper to embellish it. So I'll be putting paper now. I've again put my tape on the paper, okay, and you have to be like really perfect in putting your paper. Yes. Now this paper, I'm just, since there's a magnet here, I'm just going to put extra glue. So this is done. Now what I have done here is take these 1 inches thing, and I have pasted 2 here and 1 here to do my closure, okay. So as I told you, you can play with the things that are there. Now for the inside, I wanted to show you. You could just keep it plain and put a photo here and be done with it. I'm gonna be doing some pop-up thing for that thing. What I've done is taken these strips of 1 inch by 5 inch, okay, and scored it at 1 inches, 2 inches and 4 inches, okay. Now this 1 inch square, I'll put glue. Don't keep it up too high, or the thing that you will then put on the top is gonna go out, okay. I'm gonna be putting this circle, so I'll just check, okay, and put your glue on this 1 inch, not the 2 inches, just that 1 inch square. now I've cut these circles from the paper. Okay, you can put photos in here, or you can put messages in here. I'll put my glue here and I'll just line this up. Okay, similarly I'll do on the opposite side. Okay, this 1 inch side goes on the flap and the 2 inch thing goes here. 1 inch goes on this flap and this score goes here. Okay, so once you open, they are gonna pop out and you can put the photos over here or something, and this closes like so. Okay, similarly you do on this side. And then on these covers, I have just tried to play with the die cuts. You can just keep it plain, keep a tag. I've just used the square die cuts and done some work on both the sides. Okay, I'll just give you a walkthrough of the entire album. Just that we'll just glue it on the base now. Okay, if you're not comfortable with the tacky tape, just take your time and peel it one at a time. Or even glue is fine. So your thing is ready. Now it has a beautiful band which I have just decorated with flowers, some square die cuts, and these are wooden embellishments from Craftreat again, and these were like motif sheets from the paper pack. So this just completes our scrapbook.